Like most Australians, we at Libra Energy believe that climate change is real. It is concerning that burning fossil fuels continues to discharge CO2 into our atmosphere. These emissions will impact on our kids and our grandkids and into the future.
Global warming is a major problem that we are all facing. And now we're trying to deal with this issue, and one of the best solutions is to change from burning coal and other carbons into the air, into solar and wind, which are intermediate. And the problem with them is that they cannot work by themselves because they only work when the sun shines or when the wind blows at the evening at night. The best solution for that is a large battery. The Bremer Battery helps to stabilize the grid and help us all to move into renewable situation where there'll be no more burning. One of the key advantages of this particular project is that we have a very large grid, as you can see here, that we can deliver all the power to Brisbane and the southeast Queensland with more than 3 million people.
We are looking at the proposed Bremer Battery site that will sit alongside the big power leg line that you can see behind me. It's a 275 kilovolt line. It runs from Middle Ridge in Toowoomba down to Greenbank in Ipswich. It then divides and goes to the Gold Coast, services Ipswich and also Brisbane.
A lot of people ask us in the community, why do we need the Bremer Battery and why here? This particular site, we chose it in particular for several reasons. Number one, the grid crosses the site, so it's very easy to connect. There's very little implications or impacts on others. It's also in a very unique slope that goes from here down there, so it makes it, we can tuck it away in a very nice way. If you look from the road to this area, you won't be able to see it at all. If you look from other houses, you won't be able to see it. So the impact on the environment, because it's only grazing land, as you can see the cows here. This area is not used for agriculture or growing fruits or vegetables or anything like this. It's just used for grazing. There's nothing here at the moment. There are no trees, no koalas.
This Bremer battery has the capacity to store 850 megawatts. Energy stored is usually during the daylight times between 10 and 2 when there's excess solar, and then it is released back to the grid at 5 o'clock through to 9 p.m. This is when people come home, turn on their stoves, their air conditioning, their TV, etc. Stored energy from large-scale batteries provide firming power that can be turned on at the flick of a switch. This provides stability to the grid, which is absolutely necessary, and also therefore provides reliable energy for everybody.
One of the unique advantages of this particular project is that it's done by a local company. It's 100% Queensland owned. Libra Energy directors, shareholders, investors, they're all local here. And we have some of the most successful entrepreneurs in Rosewood and Lower Mount Walker working with us. So it's a truly local project.
And we have a priority to look after the local community in terms of benefits. To this end, we have been in touch with local organisations and people to work with them in terms of how we develop those benefits. In this regard, we look forward to improving the prosperity of Rosewood as well as Lower Mount Walker in the coming future. Lastly, please check out our website and enrol in our ongoing updates. Thank you.